what I do to them booty. Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, whoa. Nano, yeah. I ain't in the kissing, I ain't in the holding hands. Bun that, tell a chick straight, call me grand bang. I'm so spontaneous, they know me as the man. Who you think I'ma put you on a plane just to let me when we land? See, I've always been a young G, so hold your wife tightly, cause the way she's staring over here, it's like she wants to wife me. Give her space, let her breathe, she'll only come and find me if your gal goes missing. Blame N-Dubs and YG. Cut the story short, I see something playing hard to get. I pushed my things up behind her till she was soaking wet. Fans everywhere, I took her well away from there. She told me I ain't like them silly bitches, I ain't getting naked here. I'm the dap stan, they know me as the guy. So I took her to the big crib and gassed her up high. When she come down, I told her go, then she tried to cry, cause she knew that the two of them voted out. Yeah.